Uploading files to Cloudinary in Thunkable allows you to store images or media online and get a URL you can use inside your app. This is commonly used for profile pictures, uploads, or any feature that needs cloud storage. Start by opening your Thunkable project and selecting the screen where the upload will happen. Make sure you already have a way for users to pick or capture a file, such as an image picker or camera component. Next, set up your Cloudinary account. You will need your cloud name and an upload preset. The upload preset should allow unsigned uploads so Thunkable can send files without complex authentication. Once Cloudinary is ready, go back to Thunkable. In the AI chat, you can describe what you want instead of building everything manually. For example, you can say upload selected image to Cloudinary and return the image URL. Thunkable will create the required web API setup. This usually sends a post request to Cloudinary's upload endpoint with your cloud name, upload preset, and the selected file from the device. When the user selects a file and triggers the upload, Thunkable sends it to Cloudinary. Cloudinary processes the file and returns a JSON response. This response includes a secure URL for the uploaded file. You can then extract this URL and use it in your app. For example, you can store it in a variable, show it in a label, or display the image in an image component. If you're using blocks, the logic is simple. When upload button is clicked, get image from picker or camera, send it to Cloudinary, then take the secure URL from the response and use it in your app. If you're using AI chat, you can refine it by saying things like show uploaded image after upload or save image URL to variable. The system will handle the setup automatically. After setup, test your app in preview mode. Select an image, upload it, and check if Cloudinary returns a working link and if the image displays correctly. You may also want to show a loading indicator during upload since file uploads can take a few seconds. And that's how you upload files to Cloudinary in Thunkable. You connect Cloudinary, send the file through a web API request, and use the returned URL in your app.